In this video, we'll teach you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using UPI. First of all, you need to log into your account, then click Top Up in the top right or Finance in the left-hand side menu and go to Deposit. Of course, you need to change your country to India because UPI is only available in India. So we'll write India in the country. And right here, you can see the payment method, UPI. The minimum deposit amount is $5.20 and deposit time is nearly 5 minutes. So you can click on it. Then you need to enter the amount you want to deposit, for example, $10. You need to write first name, last name, phone number, and UPI ID, and then click continue and pay and finalize the transaction. You will deposit money to Pocket Option using UPI. And also, guys, I forgot to say that the maximum transaction amount is $1,030. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.